Well, good afternoon, everyone. Thanks for tuning in to Gray Shot Down. I'm Gray Shot Down on the sticks alongside Nikhil, CEO of Tesme, behind the wheel. We are going to take you on another full self-drive aerial perspective video
Turn right onto Palm Avenue.
of Tesla's 11.4.9 full self-driving software stack. If you're liking the content, please be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. We all know how that helps this insane YouTube algorithm, and I greatly appreciate it.
500 feet, turn right onto Bedford Street.
Wow, it really slows down for the speed breakers.
Yeah, it does really nice there, doesn't it?
Yeah.
The speed humps there.
Now turn right onto Bedford Street.
Nice.
Oh yeah, nicely done.
Yeah.
In 500 feet, turn left onto Covington Drive. Now turn left onto Covington Drive.
Pedestrians, car. Creeping forward and go. Nice.
Not too bad.
Now turn right onto Paseo Padre Parkway.
Truck rolling out. UPS.
Must be windy up here.
Yeah.
Because I'm only doing about 30. I can only do about 33 right now.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Oh, wow. You want me to slow down?
Please. Just means that you're getting further and further away from me.
Yeah.
Trying to cut the
More?
turns.
I can do more. Okay.
You do have a truck that's going to come up on you in a second, but
Yeah.
maybe drop to the right lane.
Okay, it's time to engage a manual right turn.
In 1,000 feet, bear left to stay on Paseo Padre Parkway.
And of course, it's going to change the lane back.
That's okay. I don't think you have anybody
Are we
behind
close
you.
now?
Yeah.
Good.
I'm still only able to do 33
Okay.
for some reason.
Now bear left to
Must just
stay
be
on
windy.
Paseo Padre Parkway.
But the good news is we're turning here anyway. So I can reset.
In 500 feet, turn left onto Grimmer Boulevard.
The viewers at home were just saying scenery. And a
Now
tiny
turn
white
left onto
speck.
Grimmer Boulevard.
Should be able to catch up now.
Yeah, I'm with you.
Right there. Perfect. Any lights needed for your GoPro to record the steering wheel or no?
When it gets super dark,
Okay.
usually what I do is I turn you don't have to worry about it for this.
Okay.
This will be our last drive.
Cool.
If we were going to do like nighttime driving, what I do at home is
Now turn right onto
I turn the interior cabin camera
look at
on.
this.
Oh no, it's getting in the construction turn lane.
Okay. So we'll see what it does.
You might need to take over here. We're stuck.
Which is strange because it can see.
Yeah, you got to go. All right, so we got to disengage here for the construction turn lane. Now the real question is, if you engage here, we have to manually make the right.
You wanna find it out?
Yep, so we'll just end up on the right up there, and that's another, it should be another high school. So same concept here. There's a visitor parking lot right here that you can just park in. Just make it, you'll probably need to manually take the right up here and park in this tennis court area.
Yeah.
Sound good?
Yeah. Roger that. So that was interesting. Generally, it's very good with the cones, able to maneuver around them.
Yeah.
But it just got stuck there.
Today.
Yeah.
And that happens.
Oh, and then you have...
And that does happen for sure.
Yeah.
Well, you guys, as we do approach the end of our drive, I'm gray shot down on the sticks alongside alongside Nikhil behind the wheel, the CEO of Tesmi. I'm so used to saying doggone sci-fi because she's my spouse. It's the routine. Yeah, we're definitely heading into a headwind here. Sorry. If you're okay with that. Are you okay with that?
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, this will be our last drive. It's getting twilight, or getting sunset to where we're.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You wanna do one night drive? Like super dark night?
I'll tell you off camera.
Okay. I think we got some really nice footage though, right?
Oh,
Right?
that stuff. Yeah, that stuff. The first drive was pretty good.
Okay. And then can you fly in during rain time or no? No. So Saturday might be, we need to find some window of opportunity. If it's not raining for a couple of hours or something.
If we have something, we can.
Yeah.
Otherwise, that's why I wanted to try to do it today.
Yeah.
That's why I reached out and I was like, the weather looks really good today.
Well, technically we got like 3 drives in, but the first one, yeah.
The first one we were gonna not go the right way.
Yeah.
And that wasn't gonna be good for anyone. The first one we weren't heading to the right spot. Plus, I don't think anyone wants to listen to us be super anxious and have anxiety in the car.
Oh yeah, for sure. That guy was weird, man. Man, what the hell? If you correctly use the system, right? So as we have been doing,
FSD.
you might have noticed so few nags.
Yeah.
If you pay attention.
Pay attention to the road.
Yeah, and yeah, it just works.
Works really well. And like I said, remember that you'll need to manually drive with that, what is it, the third light out?
Yeah.
Make a right-hand turn there.
Mm-hmm.
Really smooth though, overall. I mean,
Yeah.
I saw a post the other day on X that someone was asking, what do you believe the perceived value of FSD is in its current iteration today?
Mm-hmm.
Is it worth the full 12K?
Mm-hmm.
Or I believe it's 12K today,
Yeah.
right? Yeah. I don't know. I mean, it definitely feels, when I don't have a car that has FSD, I definitely miss it.
Yeah.
You know, but is it worth the full 12K today in current form? I don't know. That's a tough one to maybe debate.
Well, I think it also depends on who you ask or pose that question to.
Sure.
So last year I paid 15 grand for this.
Oh, okay. So
And in my opinion, this should be more expensive.
Yeah.
So it's really a lot of people I really keep hearing about this price thing, right? People don't like to pay for things, basically, if you really think about it.
Yeah.
And obviously, most people want things for free. So if you ask them a question at $200 subscription, they would be like, "No, it should be less. It's expensive."
Let's go this way over here.